one's for you, degenerate gambler guy. Your wife despises you, your brother won't return your desperate calls, and your daughter is giving out hand jobs in a back alley because you put her entire college tuition on Black 24 on the night of her high school graduation, which you missed. You said you were stuck in the office! Terrible credit, broken legs, and foreclosure can't stop you from chasing your dream. So let it ride, degenerate gambler guy. Let it ride. There is no Reach for greatness, America. Reach for broken rock beer. Paid for by Broken Rock.
Feel bad about it.
How'd it go with E-Man?
He tells me you and Frank are like mortal enemies.
Yeah, so?
So how are you gonna help me smooth things over with your mortal enemy?
There's not a problem in the world that money can't buy. Or, no, that's not right. You know what I mean. Money fixes everything.
I don't have a lot of cash.
I'm gonna help you out as a favor to your cousin. He was a loyal earner back in the day. Only thing is, a while back, I made the mistake of putting Karen in charge of my farm.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you some breaking news. A police chase occurred in downtown Vegas earlier today when an errant driver, equipped with at least 2 automatic weapons.
Vera, I'm at the pickup spot, but there's like a bunch of guys here.
What? Must have gotten a tip-off. You gotta get that money, but the last...
Walked right into this one, chump! You cost me a lot of money, Malone! Frank? When Frank says go down, you go down! Wonder what Karen's doing. Okay, got the package.
Vera, these guys knew who I was. They mentioned Frank.
Nah, the arrangement I got with...
Hey,
Muscle, speaking of illegal underground street races,
when were you talking about illegal underground street races?
we're talking about them. Right now. Muscle, keep up. Honestly, I've signed us up for one. We could use some more income and winning equals profit. You like driving fast and reckless, right?
Sure.
Excellent. Come meet me when you're ready to ride.
Yeah,
Hey, it's me. I was thinking, with things heating up, you might want to consider upgrading your weapons.
sounds good. Full throttle.